Have you ever considered that the solution to avoiding something as devastating as dialysis might be as close as the fruit bowl in your kitchen? It may seem counterintuitive, but the truth is, there are fruits that, with the power of nature, have detoxified hundreds of kidneys and prevented the dreaded need for dialysis. And the most impressive part, these fruits are neither exotic nor expensive, but rather accessible and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Kidney health is a serious matter, and who wouldn't want to avoid future problems? Get ready to discover the hidden secrets in these superfoods that are helping people around the world keep their kidneys healthy and away from dialysis machines. Curious to know what these miraculous fruits are? Keep reading and uncover the power that's within your reach. Increasing concern over kidney health. The kidneys, those small internal warriors, have become the focus of global attention in a world increasingly concerned with health. And it's no wonder, given that the rates of kidney disease and kidney failure are rising to alarming levels. This is largely due to the modern lifestyle, which often neglects kidney health. Poor diets and unhealthy habits, like a sedentary lifestyle, are the major culprits that silently lead a legion of people towards the need for dialysis. Now, imagine yourself sitting in a waiting room, surrounded by people of different ages, all there for a common reason: kidney health. It's impressive how something so small can generate such a significant consequence, isn't it? This scenario reflects a sad reality that is unfolding around the world. With the rise in kidney failure cases, there is an urgent need for awareness and change. After all, who wouldn't want to avoid dialysis by keeping their kidneys healthy and functioning perfectly? But what can be done to prevent these numbers from continuing to rise? The answer may lie in your own routine, in the small details that, when combined, make all the difference. By adopting a balanced diet rich in nutrients that favor kidney health, it is possible not only to protect these vital organs but also to ensure that they function at full capacity for much longer. And speaking of diet, this leads us to consider some natural options that can be powerful allies in preventing kidney diseases. Fruits for kidney detox. When it comes to kidney health, few people consider that the foods they put on their plate could be the first line of defense against serious problems. However, certain fruits are gaining more and more prominence for their detoxifying properties, which can help prevent diseases like chronic kidney disease, CKD, and perhaps even stave off the need for dialysis. Fruits like cranberries, watermelon, and lemons are not only delicious but also true allies of the kidneys. Imagine a simple ritual, like the habit of starting your day with a glass of warm water with lemon. This common practice might seem like an insignificant detail, but in fact, it is giving your body a little boost to keep your kidneys clean and functioning efficiently. Science has shown that some of these fruits have the ability to act as a natural detox, aiding in the elimination of toxins and protecting long-term kidney health. But how can these fruits be practically incorporated into daily life? The answer is easier than it seems. Adding a portion of watermelon as an afternoon snack, including cranberries in a salad, or even preparing a refreshing lemonade are simple and delicious ways to care for your kidneys without complication. This natural approach can not only avoid complications but also ensure that kidney health becomes a daily priority, something that directly leads to considering the specific benefits of each of these fruits. Cranberries, a superfruit. Cranberries, these small red jewels, are much more than just an ingredient for Christmas sauce. In fact, they have gained fame as a superfruit, especially when it comes to kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, this fruit is known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if untreated, can lead to more serious kidney problems. In other words, adding cranberries to your diet can be a natural shield against a series of kidney complications. Now, imagine the impact of something as simple as a glass of cranberry juice in your daily routine. This practice not only helps keep the urinary tract clean but also contributes to the prevention of infections that can impair kidney function in the long run. And the best part? You can do this naturally, without resorting to medications or complicated treatments. It's a practical and tasty way to take care of kidney health, and a perfect example of how nature offers powerful solutions for modern problems. But the power of cranberries doesn't stop there. Studies show that, In addition to preventing UTIs, this fruit can also help reduce the risk of kidney stones and improve overall kidney function. This makes cranberries an essential ally for those who want to keep their kidneys in perfect working order. And if we're talking about protecting the kidneys, the next step is to understand how other fruits, like watermelon, also play a crucial role in this process. Watermelon, nature's hydrator. Watermelon, besides being the star of hot summer days, is a true ally when it comes to hydration and kidney health. Composed of more than 90% water, this fruit is one of the most powerful natural hydrators available. But what many don't know is that this same characteristic makes watermelon an excellent option to help detoxify the kidneys, keeping them clean and functioning efficiently. After all, hydration is key for the kidneys to perform their role of filtering and eliminating toxins from the body. Imagine yourself on a hot day, savoring a juicy slice of watermelon. Meanwhile, your body silently thanks you because, in addition to refreshing yourself, you're helping your kidneys get rid of harmful substances. This simple act of consuming watermelon regularly can reduce the risk of kidney problems, such as kidney stones, and even the need for dialysis. And if a slice of watermelon can do so much, imagine what other effective hydration practices can do for your kidney health. Besides being rich in water, watermelon also contains antioxidants, like lycopene, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. This is essential to avoid long-term damage and keep the kidneys healthy. And speaking of protecting the kidneys, another fruit that deserves mention is the lemon, especially when it comes to preventing a problem that affects many people, the dreaded kidney stones. Lemons, kidney stone preventers. Lemons, these small yellow fruits, are true champions when it comes to preventing kidney stones. The high concentration of vitamin C and citric acid present in lemons plays a crucial role in kidney health. Citric acid, in particular, has the ability to increase citrate levels in the urine, which in turn helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Incorporating lemons into your dietary routine is a simple but powerful measure to keep your kidneys in perfect condition. Think about the refreshing feeling of drinking a cold lemonade on a hot day. Besides being a delicious choice, you're giving your kidneys an extra help to prevent the buildup of minerals that can lead to stone formation. And it's not just lemonade. Squeezing lemon over salads, fish, or even in a hot soup are practical and tasty ways to keep your kidney health in check. This habit can literally avoid a lot of future pain. But the power of lemons goes beyond preventing stones. They also help improve digestion and detoxify the body, which indirectly benefits the kidneys by reducing the toxin load they need to filter. And if lemons are so effective, imagine what scientific studies have to say about other fruits that can also protect your kidneys and prevent serious problems. Strong scientific backing. When we talk about kidney health and the importance of fruits in disease prevention, we're not just repeating old folk wisdom. There is a robust scientific basis supporting these claims, with numerous studies demonstrating the benefits of fruits like cranberries, watermelon, and lemons for the kidneys. These studies not only validate the use of these fruits in the daily diet but also highlight their effectiveness in preventing serious conditions, such as chronic kidney disease, CKD, and the need for dialysis. Imagine opening a medical report and finding studies showing that people who regularly consume antioxidant-rich fruits, like cranberries, are less likely to develop urinary tract infections or kidney stones. This data is like a beacon lighting the way to a healthier life, where simple dietary changes can have a profound impact on kidney health. And the best part is that these findings are accompanied by anecdotal evidence, where real people share their experiences of significant improvement after adopting these habits. However, knowledge alone is not enough. It needs to be applied practically in everyday life. Incorporating these fruits into your diet, whether in the form of juices, salads, or simply consuming them as they are, could be the key to protecting your kidneys from future complications. And this journey toward optimal kidney health leads us to an important point. How can we apply all this knowledge in our routine to reap the benefits and avoid serious problems? Now that you've discovered the power of fruits to detoxify your kidneys and avoid the dreaded dialysis, the question remains, what will you do with this knowledge? The key to a healthy life is in your hands, and it's time to act. How about starting today to include cranberries, watermelon, and lemons in your diet? Small changes like these can make all the difference for your kidney health. So, are you ready to transform the way you care for your kidneys? Apply what you've learned, make conscious choices, and see how your health can improve. And of course, don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to continue exploring more ways to protect your health and live a full life. After all, your kidneys deserve the best care, and you deserve to live without worrying about kidney problems in the future.